Students, I hope you are enjoying. So we have done noun, and already we have done in our previous videos about verb and adjective. So just we define it. What is verb? Verb is an action or a state of being. Okay, that is called verb. Like I am going to school. Going is a verb or a action or a state of being. Adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective describe the noun. Have a look on it. The word that expresses an action or state of a noun is called verb. Like there are the example, तुम जूस पीते हो, हम जूस पीते हैं, we drink juice. उसने थप्पड़ मारा, she slapped. So there are some kinds of verb that principles of verb we can say that first principle is the verb denoting action or a noun or pronoun is called principal verb. Okay, that is called principal verb. Like he abuses you, she talked to Salma, she obeyed. These are principles. ठीक है, principal verbs. These are called principal denoting the action of a noun or a pronoun. According to pronoun, we use or denote the main verb, like base, like this. That is called base, past and past participle, and after that present participle. Okay, so base को डिनोट करती हैं कभी कभी जो हम प्रोनाउंस और नाउन के साथ करते हैं उसको हम प्रिंसिपल वर्ब कहते हैं. उसके बाद ऑक्सिलरीज वर्ब, दीज वर्ब which is used with the principal verb in a sentence is used. Sentence negative and interrogative is called auxiliary verbs. Like I am not telling a lie. Helping verbs are called auxiliary verbs. Okay, after that we have transitive verb. Transitive which have direct object, that is called transitive verb. Like there are examples name likes me is an direct object. Okay, after that intransitive which do not have the direct object. Like if I say Slim likes just, that is called intransitive. Like the girl sings, the girl sings what, we cannot judge it and you can judge anything else, that is called intransitive verb. The girl sings a song, that is called transitive. When I say the girl sings, that is intransitive. Okay, and student, if you have these kinds of formal verbs in your books, you should have to learn it by heart, because it help you a lot. And when you make your sentences and when you practice your tenses, that will help you in it. Okay student, that is good for you and it will increase your vocabulary as well. Like catch is used for the present tense. Caught is used for the past tense, past indefinites. And caught that is the third form, and we use it in a passive voice. So you should have to learn these kinds of forms of verbs. Okay, so students, now we have adjective. Adjective adds something to the meaning of noun. It qualifies a noun as. Okay, Zara हसीन लड़की है. Zara is a beautiful girl. हसीन beautiful, that is called adjective. तुम पाबंद हो, you are punctual. वो बदतरीन शख्स थे, they were worst enemy. Worst is describing the noun, that is enemy, that is noun, and describe the noun, that is called adjective. So we have here kinds of adjective. Adjectives of quality tells about the quality of a person. These are the example. After that we have adjective of quantity, that tells the quantity. Like there is a little milk in the glass, little is a quantity. Adjective of number tells numbers. Like Monday is the first day of the week, that is called adjective of number. Demonstrating trative adjective. These adjective point out which person or thing is meant. Like that house is ours, वो जो घर है वो हमारा है. All these oranges sweet. Okay, interrogative adjective. These adjective we can use these W's, question, what, whose, which. These are included in it. Is used with a noun to ask a question. It is called interrogative adjective. Like whose pen is this, ये किसका पेन है. What time is it, टाइम क्या हुआ है. Exclamatory adjectives like sometime what is used to an adjective as what, fully. What a surprise, what an idea. That is called exclamatory. Emphasizing adjective we own and very are used in sentences. It is called emphasizing adjective. Like it is my own master. ये मेरे मास्टर हैं, ठीक है. So on and very this side of this kind of words we use, that is called emphasizing in adjective. Now we have the comparison of the adjective. We have 3 degrees. I have told you already. Positive degree, that is the simple degree that shows that the adjective one, that is like this coat is black. Okay, comparative, when we compare the two things or the other more than two things, that is called comparative. Like I have told you this coat is black, then when I compare the two things, then I can say that this coat is blacker than the that coat, कि ये जो कोट है ये उस कोट से ज़्यादा काला है, ठीक है. तो वो फिर मैंने क्या किया, कंपैरिजन कर दिया. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, दैट इज़ द हाईएस्ट डिग्री एंड इट शोज कंपैरिजन ऑफ मोर देन पर्सन और अ थिंग. लाइक दिस कोट इज़ द ब्लैकेस्ट ऑफ ऑल, कि ये तो सब में ही सबसे ज़्यादा काला है, ठीक है. इसका कलर सही वाला काला है. ओके, यू आर द टॉलेस्ट, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो टॉलेस्ट superlative degree. So these are the forms of degrees, we can say that, and the form of degrees and rules of make degrees. First is positive, second is comparative, compare the things, and superlative, this is the highest quality of degree. Okay, now it's time to recall or revise the concept of adverb and pronoun. After that we will solve preposition, conjunction and interjection. I hope you are enjoying my video. You should have to listen it very carefully. That will help you a lot, and you will make some sentences and also find all parts of speech from it. So now students, we have an adverb. What is an adverb? I have told you that it is tells about more about verb. It describes about more verb. An adverb is a word that qualify a verb, an adjective or another adverbs. Okay, like सलमान जल्दी से सवाल कर लेता है. सलमान solve the sum quickly. Quickly is a word that tells more about a verb. Salma solve very difficult sum. So quickly and very are the example of adverb. There are kinds of adverbs. We have already discussed it in our text portion or a literature portion. So once again we will revise. We first is adverb of time. What is adverb of time? Adverb of time tells us when कि जो when the action happened, कि जो action है वो कब हुआ. These adverbs show time or a period. Like I will see you soon, मैं तुम्हें जल्द तुमसे मिलूँगा. Always speak the truth. It is hot today. Adverb of place tell where something is happened or what action कहाँ पे हुआ. Okay, like these adverb shows a place of there. You are sitting here. I am inside the room. Here inside this shows that where is the action happen. Adverb of manner tell how the action is happening or a happen, यानी कि एक्शन कैसे हुआ. लाइक LY वाले जो होते हैं ना, जो हम लिखते हैं क्विकली, मैरिली, लाउडली, दीज आर मोस्टली यूज्ड इन एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. लाइक शी एक्सेप्टेड माई इन्विटेशन मैरिली, खुशी से. ओके, ही कुडंट सॉल्व द सम क्विकली, जल्दी से. स्पीक लाउडली, ऊंची आवाज़ में. एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्रीज. Adverb of degrees. These adverb express the degrees or quantities of an occurrence as. Like she has almost reached there. Almost is a adverb of degree. We are quite fine. You are very clever. Now we have adverb of number. Adverb of number. These adverb shows the number or a frequency of occurrence. ठीक है, like they tried twice but all in vain. Twice is an example of adverb of number. Sometime I prefer coffee or to tea. बाज़ुकात, ठीक है, मैं कॉफ़ी को प्रेफर करता हूँ चाय की बजाय. Don't come here again. These are the example of adverb of number. Okay, let's start to solve an exercise related to adverb. This is not dash. Enough, well, often, and again. What was the answer, or what will the answer? Enough. I am dash agreed with your point of view. I am quite agreed. It rained there heavily. Well, carefully, over and over, heavily. What is the right answer? Heavily. Haris writes dash of all. Good, better, best, none of these. Best. Okay, let's last is dash speaking. I haven't passed the test. Skillfully, honestly, doubtfully, harder, honestly. Here are Hamid fought bravely. What is bravely? Adverb of number, adverb of reason, adverb of frequency, adverb of manner. What is ly? मैंने अभी आपको बताया. Adverb of manner, right answer. We go for a walk daily. Adverb of time, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of number. The right answer is, you will tell me. Yes, adverb of टाइम. डेली है ना, रोज़ाना हम जाते हैं. कम इन हुमा. एडवर्ब ऑफ इन. व्हाट इज इन? एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री, एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, एडवर्ब ऑफ क्वांटिटी, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. द राइट आंसर इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. अंकल यू वर पार्टली राइट. एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री, एडवर्ब ऑफ रीजन, एडवर्ब ऑफ क्वांटिटी, बोथ ए एंड बी. सो राइट आंसर इज बोथ ए एंड बी. एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री भी है एंड एडवर्ब ऑफ क्वांटिटी भी है.